If you're looking to enhance your gaming experience in GTA 5 by speeding up the graphics settings, follow these simple steps to optimize performance. Step 1. Lower graphics settings. Access the Game settings menu and reduce the overall graphics quality. Low settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and reflection quality can significantly improve performance. Step 2. Adjust resolution. Change the game resolution to a lower setting. A lower resolution can help increase frame rates, making the game run smoother, especially on less powerful hardware. Step 3. Disable VSync. Turn off VSync in the settings. This feature can limit your frame rate to your monitor's refresh rate, which may cause stuttering. Disabling it can provide a smoother experience. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers, as updates often include performance improvements and optimizations for games. Step 5. Use performance mode. If available, switch your graphics settings to performance mode. This mode prioritizes frame rate over visual quality, helping to maintain a smoother gameplay experience. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in the performance of GTA 5. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience.